I can see it in your eyes that you are restless. The time has come for you to leave. It's so hard to let you go, but in this life I know you have to be who you were made to be. As you step out on the road, I'll say a prayer, so that in my heart you always will be there. This is not goodbye. I know we'll meet again, so let your life begin, 'cause this is not goodbye. It's just I love you to take with you until you're home again.
And dance with my mother and me. Spin me around.
The stirring in your soul has left you wondering, should you stay or turn around? Well, just remember that your dreams, they are a promise, that you were made to change the world. So don't let fear stop you now, 'cause this is not goodbye. I know we'll meet again, so let your life begin, 'cause this is not goodbye. It's just I love you to take with you until you're home again. Oh, I know the brightest star above was created by the one who loved more than we'll ever know, to guide you when you're lost. What started as a still small voice is raging now, and your only choice is to follow who you are. So follow who you are, 'cause this is not goodbye. I know we'll meet again. Oh, this is not goodbye. I know we'll meet again, so let your life begin, 'cause this is not goodbye. It's just I love you to take with you until you're home. It is I love you to take with you until you're home. It is I love you to take with you until you're home.
Deep in my heart, I love you. Deep in my heart, I care. You are my life, my everything, my dream, my every prayer. Deep in my heart, I know that deep in your heart, you know other forever. Deep in my heart, I know that deep in your heart, you know that we were meant for each other. And deep within my heart, and deep within your heart, yes, we will love each other forever.
Everybody's dressed in black. The preacher saying life goes too fast. The memories have turned to tears, thinking back on all the years. I know that you're in a better place, but I'm still here missing you today. It isn't easy to say goodbye, but I know it's only for a little while. Run up ahead and I will catch up, 'cause I'm gonna see you when tomorrow comes on the other side. On the other side, I bet you feel you're finally home, running down those streets of gold, the kind of peace you can't explain, looking into Jesus' face. I know that you're in a better place. I know I'll be joining you someday. It isn't easy to say goodbye, but I know it's only for a little while. Run up ahead and I will catch up, 'cause I'm gonna see you when tomorrow comes on the other side, where there are no more goodbyes, no more pain, no more tears left to cry. We will join with the angels singing their song, praising our Savior all the day long. It isn't easy to say goodbye, but I know it's only for a little while. Run up ahead and I will catch up, 'cause I'm gonna see you when tomorrow comes on the other side. On the other side. On the other side. On the other side.
it was too late. But then you came along to my surprise, and stole my heart before my very eyes. You took me right out of the blue, simply by showing that you love me too, only by giving me your everything with a love so true. You took me out of the blue. I was wondering what love was all about. I was trying, couldn't work it out. But then you came along to my surprise, and made my frozen mind come alive. You took me right out of the blue, simply by showing that you love me too, only by giving me your everything with a love so true. You took me out of the blue. You let me out of the
Papa nga, dati lang na Father's Day mi. Regalo mi. Happy Father's Day. Bukas na. Punasan mo yung
Meron
mesa.
pa kayong pariga-regalo.
Aba, syempre.
Siyempre ah.
Sabi mo nga eh, oh.
Thank you.
Oh.
Lupatan ah.
Hindi ko naman.
Wala ko muna to.
Speak na ito yung mga anak ko. Basta ang alukan ko makita kayo na magandang buhay ninyo dito.
Magkakilig pang panunutan. Oh, ni, natin na.
Wow! Thank Salamat anak ko.
Yan pang ano, yung hindi nalolobat yan. Hindi ka na magpababatan yan, solar yan.
Hindi ka na magpapabaterya, ibilag mo na lang.
Ibilag mo lang yan, habang buhay ng buwan.
Maalala ko yung...
Sukat mo
Sukat ko, siyempre.
Wow! May sasabihin na naman ako dito sa bunso ko.
Oh. Natanong ka pakarga ti battery.
Medyo maluwag.
Ipa-adjust pa lang daw, ipa-adjust mo kini Pilsen.
Diyan ka. Palabasin mo sa naman, baka sa salingan ka sa
Good plated pa ha.
Oh, siyempre. Oh, mayaman.
Yan sa mga pakita ka ni bunso maramdaman. Paki-adjust mo nga pero pagkakuhan mo.
Ayan, just pa.
Paki-isuot ko mamaya sabi. Parang magkubo yan ako na bunso.
Ayan, si Mama at saka si Papa nagpe-Ferris wheel.
Nakakit ako, nakahulog ako.
Well, visit ko ito lang tama.
Bakit na may bilog na yun, oh?
Tingin muna kayo dito. Picture. Ayan, nasa Ferris wheel si na Papang. Sa cabins. Like.
Ayun yung Niagara Falls.
Parang pinigilito yung pako eh.
Pero nakita mo dito. Ayan yung Niagara.
Yan, sasakay daw si Jigjig dyan. Yan.
Ako naman yung bilog na yun.
Yung panong. Ito mo na.
Kaya pala yung dapat gumalit sa'yo.
Ano ba nakapindot? Wala na.
Kita naman pala nakaplay.
O, si Papa ko. Alert. Ito.
Ayos ah.
Ano kaya yun? Wala mo dito. Canada.
Canada.
Kita mo nga, baka silver mo tata.
Buksan mo para
Silver nga, para
kumikintab-kintab eh.
Ano ba buksan to?
Yan si Papa ko. Dito na daw siya titira sa ospital.
Libre lahat. Libre pagkain. Libre gamot. Nag-tutor pa siya kung paano maligo sa bathtub.
Tinator kong buong loob ng ospital. Nala.
Sa ospital, tapos turuan pa siya kung paano umakyat ng hagdan.
Turuan ka para kung paano maglakad.
Happy birthday to you. Blow na kayo dyan ba?
Blow pa.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Get na lang ano. Latito. Tugaw katapang nila misaan. Picture mo din si Papang din. Yan o, ganda.
ito, nakatingin din yung usa, oh. Alam niya yung trabaho niya, eh.
Sa'yo isa.
Sanas.
Oh.
Lahat yan pa, pitasin mo na lahat.
Oh. Oh, isa na to.
Oh, ikaw mamang gusto mo di mabunot.
Oh, ikaw na.
Kasi hindi, tama na yan kay Papa nga.
Ako na.
O kasi masisira na yan
Ay,
eh.
gawin, baka maanag.
Oh, dami man sana si Papa ngo,
Dami
Jod.
George, sisi. Oh, dami kong mansana. Oh.
Kasi tangkad mo lang kamo.
Oh.
Oh,
Makita mo na yan. Puko na.
Iman.
Oh. Oh, laki. Oh, si George. Oh.
Nakangangaman no, ya si Michi, si Jod. Ah, yan lang, maliit lang yung mansana sa sinlaki ni Papang. Oh.
Ay, taga mo na, ano. Murad dito ka to.
Oo. Apa yan mo, gam nga mo nga.
Pag ano,
Yung
pag
mukha ka, dakting nga.
mainit, tanggalin mo to pa.
Uy, yun na nga eh.
Para
Pero
walang-
maganda yung...
Kita ng kay tagal, ikay na may kapal, may abot, kamay na kita mahal. Nandito laman ng isip ko, laman ng bawat panaginip ko. Kung alam tinitipo, ikaw na lang tinitipo, ang puso kong ito. Para sa hinihintay kita lang kay tagal, di kay lang may kapal, ay amot, kamay na kita mahal. Lagi kaming ang isip ko, laman ng bawat panaginip ko. Ikaw na lang tinitipo ng puso kong